Let's take a look at this example. Again, we are going to subtract first the whole numbers. I have 7 minus 5 equals 2. That's why my equation is going to look like this right now. 2/5 minus 7 over 8. Look at the denominators. Denominators are different. That's why I have to convert mixed number to improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result of the multiplication you have to add to the numerator. So 5 times 2 gives me 10, plus 2 gives me 12. 12 over 5 minus 7 over 8. Now, common denominator for these two fractions is going to be 40. Okay? If you have difficulties to find a common denominator, simply try to multiply these two numbers by themselves, and I got 40, and this is the lowest common denominator in this case. So let me find the equivalent fractions to these two fractions. That's why I'm going to have 12 over 5, and I have 7 over 8. Common denominator, we said, is equal 40, because 40 is divisible by 5 and 40 is divisible by 8. This is the lowest common denominator. This is the lowest number which is divisible by 5 and divisible by 8. By what number I have to multiply 5 to get 40? I have to multiply by 8. 5 times 8 gives me 40. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. 12 times 8 is 96. By what number I have to multiply 8 to get 40? I have to multiply by 5. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Now, let me write these fractions into my equations. That's why I have 96 over 40 minus 35 over 40, okay? So, 96 minus 35 is equal 61. 61 over 40. Now, look at this fraction. We cannot reduce this fraction because there is no common factor for 61 and 40. That's why I'm going to perform the long division. So 61 divided by 40. How many times 40 goes into 61? Just once. 1 times 40 is 40. Subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay? I cannot divide 40 into 21. That's why my answer is 1, and I have 21 over 40, where the top goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 1 and 21 over 40. This is the solution to my problem.